Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make 3 kinds of chutes and 1 funnel. Chute number 1. You're going to need a large straw and a pair of scissors. I like a large straw better than a thin one or narrow one because it makes it a little bit easier to cut. So I am going to cut a big ribbon out of the side of this straw. There. I actually made 2 chutes. This is super important. It's fun to play with our dump trucks and play with little things like marbles and lentils to go down a chute or use through our funnel. But remember, they are choking hazards, so use them up on a table and away from little brothers and sisters. So now let's experiment. We have our straw chute. I have some dried lentils. I have a container to put the lentils down from the chute, and I have my plastic shovel that I made a couple of videos ago from a water container. I'm going to scoop up some dried lentils into the shovel, squeeze the shovel to make it nice and tight, and then send it down the chute. Cool. Chute number 2. This is a paper towel tube and a pair of scissors. And we're gonna do the same thing as we did with the straw. We're just gonna cut a big ribbon out of this paper towel tube. There. Chute number 3. For this chute, you'll need an empty tissue box and a pair of scissors. On this tissue box, I made little lines to show you where we can cut to make a chute. We'll just cut this corner part off right here, and we'll use that to send things down as a chute. So I'm just gonna start cutting. If any of it tore while you were cutting it, you could always use a little bit of masking tape and mend it. What could we use to send down that chute? And now for our funnel. To make our funnel, all we need to do is cut right there. So I'm gonna take the lid off. That will make it easier. And I'm gonna smush it down. Little funnel. Let's see if it works. You could even try this. Take your funnel, take a little bit of masking tape, and tape it to something that's tall. I'm using a big water container that I have. I'm gonna tape it on nice and high, and I'm gonna put maybe a truck or a container underneath. And then I'm going to pretend like the truck came under the funnel to get loaded up. And there it gets loaded. Isn't it fun to make your own toys? Well, click on my next video because it's story time again, and I'm going to read Working Hard with the Mighty Fire Truck.